Hello.
Hello.
Guys, you're able to see my screen, right?
Yes, yes, Suresh.
Okay. Let us start today's session with a history of Java. You can also able to see the things, the authors, the providers who has provided a lot of code to the Java project. Let us take these things like I hope everyone knows that in 1991 Java got released in the name of Oak, and in 1995 it has a rename to Java. The reason for changing the name of Work to Java is like Work is already registered company with some technical company. That's why Work technology is already there. That's why they have renamed it to Java in 1995. But the earlier versions was released in 1991 only. That's why the when Java was introduced means the year of Java introduction is 1991 only, but it has a name like Java is in 1995. Okay, and the authors' names are something like the providers are James Gosling, Mike Sheridan, Katrina. You can see check out the James Gosling. It is a famous person who has the main contributor of Java. He is the fellow of Java, James Gosling. And one more thing here, why they have chosen the things, and the purpose of developing this project is just to develop a some application for some set-top boxes. Check out here some small embedded systems in electronic applications like set-top boxes. You are in daily life also you are seeing some set-top boxes, right? To write a program for those set-top boxes, they have designed a one application. That application, that programming language is Java. Here itself no one knows about that. Initially before work they are also it has also a name like Green Talk. No one knows this. Just remember, before work, everyone says that work is the first name, but it has a Green Talk name, and the extension for this Java program as the first extension is .gt. I will give you this document, don't mind. .gt is the green top extension what you called in the our Java, and then it was renamed to work, which is a something national tree of those your US countries, all the things. That's why they have chosen the popular name like Oak. Finally, in 1995, they have changed the name like Java by having name combinations with the Oak Technologies. Oak Technologies is already registered company. That's why we cannot take that, we cannot use the work more time. In 1995, we got a new name, that is Java. Actually, no one asked about this history and all things, but as the introduction, you have to know like this. That's why I am explaining. And guys, uh, are you getting my voice? Hello, guys, are you getting any disturbances?
Yes, Suresh. Yes, Suresh.
Sure. What about now? Hello, hello.
We are able to hear.
Yes. Okay, continue. If you have any disturbances, you are unable to hear means, please be intimate. I don't know, right? Just if you ask means, or something, if you are unable to communicate with me means, just you can chart it. I hope you got the history of Java. That is enough. That is enough. 3 to 4 points. And whenever we are coming for the versions, we have till now we have 10 versions are there. Earlier versions of JDK, Alpha, Beta, and the latest version of Java is Java Standard Edition 8, which was got released in 2014. That is the latest version. And if you want to download means, directly you go to the Google something, type Java. Here itself we have two links. It is from main official java.com. So you can go with the Oracle. If you go with a directly go with something like Java means it will become for Windows, and it is a 64-bit. But if you want to change the versions and you want to download the Java for Linux, or you want to download the Java for Mac, like this means you have to choose the Oracle website like this. This is the Oracle's website, and you can click on the download Java. Check out here. JDK 8U71. It says that about main version is 71 and subversion is 71. Sorry, the main version is 8 and subversion is 71. You can check out this by clicking on the accept license. You can download Linux bit or 64-bit. In the version of, you can download in the form of CAR, RPM, whatever the versions you want, you can download. And Mac, for Mac also we have a Java. So for Solaris and Solaris and Windows. i586 is for 32-bit operating systems. x64 is for 64-bit operating systems. Both. Check out. I hope you are working on Mac OS. It is better to download this version. Just click on that JDK 8271 Mac OS x64.dmg. Fine. You can download the first thing itself. 8271. No issue. Just click on that. After that, you can able to see the downloads, all these things. After downloading, you can able to see the I will explain how to install and other things. Then we will work on that. By the means, the latest version of Java is, current state version is Java Standard Edition 8. We have a lot of versions. No issues about these years and all the things. Okay, anyway, I will send this document. And no one will ask about when the Java 5 was released, when the Java 6 was released, like that no one will ask. But for reference purpose itself, I am keeping all these things. And yesterday we have seen some of the features. We have already seen the features of Java, which makes the Java as popular. Means we have a lot of features are there. That is simple, object-oriented, distributed, multi-threaded, all the things we have seen, right? Yes, check out these things. Suppose simple, I already explained in yesterday's class. Again, the simple is why I am saying Java is simple means it is also based on C++, and there is no explicit points and operator overloading, which makes a user to confusion. See, don't worry, here as the part of theoretical itself, I am explaining these theory concepts. Anyway, we are writing the programs, then you can get to understand more. Okay, don't worry about here itself, you have to learn all the 100%. We have this is the theoretical. After learning, after completing theoretical, we will go for the practical, then we will check out the remaining things. Good things of what is object oriented. As also I have explained, object oriented means something, it's a kind of concept where we can work with all the everything, every concept will be related to the objects, and we have majorly this kind of objects, whose concepts are there: object, class, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation kind of concepts. I will explain each and every one. It will take some lot more time. In the next immediate class will take maybe in tomorrow's class, or by end of the day today, we will learn all these things in detail. What is object? How to create an object? What is class? How to write a class? How many ways of creating a class? How many ways to deploy a class? And inheritance. What is the types of inheritances? What is inheritance main role in Java? What is polymorphism? All the things will be, we have to explain. Abstraction, encapsulation. What about the abstraction and encapsulation? All the things we should learn. Check out these names. You should learn about these things. As a Java developer, you should learn these names at least: object, class, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation. Okay, after completing this session, I will go for the class and objects, the examples of class and objects and all the things. then I will directly go to the inheritance. We have some inheritance types are there, 4 to 5 types are there, and we have very interesting concepts also there in inheritance. All the concepts we will describe, and then we will learn about polymorphism, what is polymorphism with the example programs. Same thing about abstraction and encapsulation also. Maybe in the next class itself we will learn all these things. Let us drive the concept of platform independent. Okay, check out the things. I hope you are able to see the screen. Like whenever we are writing the Java file means it has dot extension of dot Java, right? Yesterday I said that source comma source dot Java, and the dot Java extension will convert it to the dot class file. Source dot class. This class file we are saying as yesterday's also I have explained bytecode. Okay, when I can get this bytecode means after getting the compilation of Java program. I am saying that after compilation itself. Okay, first of all we are developing one Java file which has a main key source file. Then whenever we are going to compile, the dot class file will be generated. This dot class file will be, we are saying as bytecode. And what is the purpose and what is the significance of platform independent? As the platform independent, and yesterday I have given that what is the definition for the platform also. Here also I have written one more time. Suppose here I have listed the platform, check out. It is not there. Have you remember anyone yesterday I said about this platform especially? The environment which gives to compile and run. Here the environment is nothing but software and hardware. A platform which gives a software and hardware environment, and the purpose of this platform is used to compile and run the programs. Java has itself as a platform, right? I yesterday said that Java itself as a platform. That's why the definition for the Java is a object-oriented programming language specifically, and platform itself it is a platform, and that's why it is not depending on the other platforms like Windows, Linux, Mac. Okay, itself it has a platform and it has itself JVM, itself own JVM architecture is there. That's why it is not depending on the remaining platforms. This is what the scenario of platform independent. Here we are not depending on other platforms. Suppose in normal C and C++ means if you have developed one code in Windows means you cannot execute same code in Linux. You cannot execute same code in Mac OS, but in Java you can transfer the same class file to any type of platform, any platform it will be executed. That is what the concept of platform independent, and by using this platform independent concept of Java, we can easily roam with the multiple platforms like Windows, Linux, Mac, Sun Solaris, whatever the platform it may be. We can easily work with those platforms. That is the main advantage of platform independent. Check out this. I wrote something also here. And remember this, we are transferring the bytecode, not the source code. Get the difference of bytecode and source code. Okay, and here that is it is also one of the best interview question. Suppose we have one source code and one bytecode. Among these two codes, which one is the platform independent? Source code is not the platform independent. By converting the source code to bytecode, I can make the platform independence. Okay, that is what you have to remember. Bytecode is the platform independent code. I hope you got it. And secured. Why we are saying Java as secured? Check out things. We don't have the no explicit pointers in a simple manner itself. In simple feature itself, I explained that there is no pointers and explicit pointers. In the same concern here, without having these explicit pointers, we can maintain the security. And itself has a virtual machine sandbox is nothing but JVM kind of concept. We itself has a JVM and no need to depend on multiple platforms. That's why we can maintain the security. Suppose I will give you that. Suppose Java itself has the platform on not depending on other platforms. This is the theory, that's why I'm explaining like this. And if you stuck in anywhere means you can ask me, you can raise a question. Not depending on other platforms. Whenever we are not depending on other platforms, either like this other programming languages, surely we are getting the security and privacy concern. Yes or no? We are not depending on others means by making the individuality, we can maintain our privacy. If we have some dependency means we should share the information to the another party also. But here I am not sharing any content. That's why we are saying as our Java as platform independent as well as secure. These both features are similar by having the same concept, platform independency and security. Robust. I hope yesterday also I have explained this robust. It's a kind of concept where robust means everyone says that everyone knows the strongness, and here the robust is nothing but suppose this. Let us think about this is what my program. Okay, in that if I have some errors, suppose depending the I wrote the depending spelling as like this. DEPDANG. I wrote like this. In this notepad, we are not getting any errors. But whenever I am writing same kind of things, stuff in Word means, surely I am getting the errors. Yes or no? Suppose here I am writing means, it is showing the errors like that. Suppose I am writing like this, the word is not recognizing. Like the kind of difference between how you have differentiated with the WordPad and Notepad, something like Microsoft Word like this. In the same example, in Java we can easily predict the errors and we can easily manage and handle the errors. That's why I am saying as Java is more strong programming language, stronger programming language. Okay, we cannot, Java doesn't depend on normal and it never bother about the small errors. Java itself has the more features and it has more capability to handle the errors. Okay, in Java we have one technical term is there, that is exception. Exception is also a kind of concept related to the errors only. Okay, by having the exception handling kind of concept, great concepts, I am saying Java as robust language. See, for every feature I am saying that why we are calling that, how it will works. In simple I have explained, oops I have explained, why we are saying the platform independent I have explained, why we are saying as architecture neutral I should also I have explained. Today also I am going to explain, and why we are saying as Java has secure platform, all those things I am explaining. Just remember these things. If you have any questions on interviews or something and someone will ask means you have to answer. Key functionality of the robust is exception handling. Just get that error handling. Exception handling is nothing but error handling. We will learn more about exception handling in next sessions. Don't worry. Portable. Everyone knows about this portable. What is about this portable means? Actually, the portable, the exact meaning is we can carry it to anywhere. Yes, it's in the same concern. Java is a portable language. We can use my Java bytecode to any platform. Again, this portable functionality is related to the platform independency. Java is portable language. Why means it has a platform independence concept. Okay, and by having this platform independence, again we have a security. Check out this. All these three are related. All these are related only. Java has portable feature, and that's why I'm saying Java is a portable language. How the Java is portable language means by having this platform independence concept, platform independence feature, and by having this platform independence, we are saying this Java as secure. I hope you got the statement. High performance. When I say that my Java is the best language, it should be in a high performance programming language. It should give high performance. Then only I may say I can use this Java for multiple large based applications, enterprise applications, large business applications. Okay, if it didn't gives the high performance or it is giving very lazy means I cannot use this my Java for developing very latest 21st century applications. Yes or no? If you want to develop in advanced programming language, advanced programming concepts, means we should use the advanced programming language. Java is advanced programming language by having this his high performance concept. Okay, and the execution everything will be very fast, very quicker by comparing to the C++ and C like these kinds of concepts. And yesterday I already explained some of the features like still we have a architecture neutral. You can find this. The purpose of architecture neutral, what is the concept of architecture neutral? Like for defining the concept, see, but again the architecture neutral concept is also related to the same kind of this platform independence. It has a platform independence, and that's why it has the architecture of Java is also a neutral. It never changes the architecture of a Java to one platform to another platform. That's why it got a platform independence. I hope you got it. These all are interrelated. It has a portable by having platform independence. It has a platform independence by having architecture neutral. The architecture of Java is neutral for all platforms. That is what you should remember. And this architecture neutral, by having this, the example for architecture neutral is how you are saying that Java is architecture neutral. As someone asked me, you should answer like this. Like, yes, the best example is sizes of data types in Java is fixed and doesn't change with any platforms. I can give you one example. In C, let us take the example of C. If you know about this, some integer data type. In C also we have integer data type, right? The integer data type size is 2 bytes. In Windows, especially 32-bit software, same C programming language, integer will occupy 4 bytes in Linux environment. It is the out-of-box explanation for your better understanding. Same kind of C programming language, same kind of data type occupies different type of sizes, memory areas. Why means the architecture for Java, the architecture of Java for Linux is different, for Windows is different, but the Java is same. Suppose, of course, whatever the database you are using, whatever the platform you are using, Java integer data type size is 4 bytes. It is fixed. Don't worry, I can give you the data types, what are the data types we have in Java and what are the sizes of data types. All the things I will give you. I will, in the tabular form only I can give you. We have 8 primitive data types. Primitive data types is nothing but system defined data types. Okay, we have the system means the Java API, the versions, the defaultly we have 8 different data types are there. All the 8 different data types, where I can use which data type and what is all the information I can give you. Okay, don't worry about that. Just this is for example. If you take in Windows, Mac, Linux, whatever the operating system you may use, the size of the data types are fixed. Okay, in rare interviews they are asking this question. That's what that is enough for about these features. Before going to the JDK, GRE, JVM, let us drive the case of installing and setting the path. See, remember guys, you want to work with the Java, we have to maintain some basic steps. First step is download and install. The downloading in the Java software I already explained. Go to the Oracle website and maybe you are using Mac OS or Linux, what is the version you want, tar, RPM file or whatever the things. And or if you are using Windows, means still you can work with the Windows. Okay, you can check it out. Maybe Mac OS means you can download it. Just click about this version DMG file. It will start open about the downloading. Okay, you can click the save. It has a 227 MB space. We have to keep it. And I downloaded my own Java software. Check out this. And after downloading, the installing of Java is very simple. By clicking next itself, it is happen. And you can try in your homes like this today. If you are unable to install, means I can also explain the install also. Okay, after downloading this tar version or something, RPM version or DMG version, just you can check out the installation just by clicking next. That's all. Three to four times it asks about the next. Click on next and finish. That is what the simple, very simple installation for Java. You can do it. Okay. If you are still having any problems about the installation of Java, means tomorrow I will show how to install also. Okay, but today in my system it is already installed by clicking simple steps next, and after installing, if you want to check out the execution, the Java is successfully installed or not, you can check out like this. I am using Windows OS. Okay, Windows 64-bit. That's why I am using. Check out Java. Yes, I installed latest version 1.8.0 25. Okay, the subversion is 25. Like this, here I installed multiple versions. That's why I have like this. But when you have installed about this 1.8, like this, you are able to install Java 8 only. That's why two folders will be there: JDK 1.8, GRE 1.8. Both the folders you may visible on your systems. You may check out on that and open the JDK 1.8.25. Okay. And here we have seen in bin folder, these are the main folders in the something kind of in JDK. We have bin folder, DB include JRE folder is there, and again lib, very important for our lib and bin. We have a lot more license versions, all those things they are keeping on the text. Okay. By seeing these things, we may confirm that up to 50% that my Java is installed. Okay, but we cannot work directly by installing itself. We cannot work with the Java. The second thing after downloading and install the case, you should set the path for JDK. Okay, don't worry, I can give you immediately in next 10 to 15 minutes. I am giving the what is JDK, JRE, JVM. Okay, don't worry. We should set after installing the Java, we should set the path for JDK. Then only I can able to work with that. Okay. Then I can do the compile and run the program. Fine. Check out these three things. And in my system I downloaded the Java software and I install the software. The proof of installation I already have seen this. In Java, I am able to see the JDK 1.8 2.25 version. Okay. The first part is finished. What's the second case? We should set the path for JDK. Yes or no? How to set the path? Guys, if you are unable to understand means raise the question please. In every operating system or every system we have a system properties. Okay, by clicking on the system properties, check out carefully, we are able to see the advanced system settings. If you have disturbance or something, anything also, you can raise the things. I hope you are able to see my screen also very well. In this, we can able to see the advanced system settings. Then we are able to see the advanced system properties. In that, again we have to click the environment variables. In environment variables, we should create one variable, one user variable with the variable name is path. Okay, and let us think that I am deleting my existing path. Okay, I am creating new path for your concern path. I am creating variable name as path, and we should keep the variable value, right? How to set the values? See, we are already checked where the Java JDK is installed in C, in local disk. See, normally we are getting in installation in Windows. Just copy the things and open up to bin. Okay, open program files, Java JDK, and open up to bin. Copy the whole content, whole path, and paste it in variable value and keep semicolon. Okay, then you can click the okay. That's all. Now the task of the setting the path for JDK is finished. Okay. Do you want one more time how to set the path? Guys, do you want one more time how to set the path?
No, Suresh, we can continue.
Yes, very good. Check out the things. Yes, the setting the path will be finished. Then after writing the program, we will compile and run the cases. Fine. Here, when the installing, downloading all the case also, we are using the terminology like JDK. Setting the path also, I am saying every time I am saying that JDK. Yes, here we have to think about what is JDK. This is what the JDK main architectural diagram. Check out. JDK itself has the JRE component and some development tools like JavaScript, Java, like these components. The tools will be there. And JRE itself has the JVM and some libraries, some other additional information which will be useful for execution and compiling the programs. Okay. Let us drive the case from JVM. Let's come from JVM, then JRE, then we will learn the JDK. Okay, I will explain, don't worry. Let us drive the small case about small concept of JVM. JVM is very important in Java. Why? Means the JVM itself only it is doing loading the code and verifying the codes, and we have a lot more execution of a code and provides a runtime environment, All these major tasks performing by the JVM only. Okay, the purpose of JVM, it is very important. You should learn, as the Java developer, you should learn more about this JVM. As the JVM itself, it acts as a compiler, itself it acts as a execution engine, itself it acts as a multiple components which provides the runtime environments also. It provides the environment, it verifies the code, it loads the code, it executes the code. That's why I am saying as JVM plays very important role in our Java. Okay. JVM, the abbreviation of JVM is Java Virtual Machine. I didn't give the abbreviations right. Let us take. I can send this document to you, to your inboxes. JDK, Java Development Kit. Okay. And JRE means, the abbreviation of JRE is Java Runtime Environment. And JVM means Java Virtual Machine. Remember, abbreviation is also important. You should learn this. Java Development Kit, Java Runtime Environment, Java Virtual Machine. Okay, this is what the JVM, the part of where the JVM will be there in JRE. And what is the purpose of JVM is verifying the code, loading the code, executing the code, and maintaining the runtime environment. Suppose we are executing the program, we need some memory, right, to store our variables and all the stuff, to write the program, all those things. We need some memory. Who will allocate the memory? JVM. And after writing the program, we have to load the source code into memory. Who will load it? JVM. We should compile it. Okay, verifying code is nothing but compiling. We are compiling the WhatsApp, in compilation itself we are verifying the code. Who will do this? JVM. And after compiling, we execute. Execution or running program. Who will do it? The JVM. I hope you got about the JVM. And things, and here the next part, along with the JVM, we have some libraries. Libraries means we have, as the development of Java, we use some lot more libraries. We have libraries folder also there, which is in JDK or in JRE. That library will define what are the additional files, what are the needs, all the things, what are the needs we have to be placed. All these things we are explaining in the JRE itself. The purpose of JRE now. The purpose of JVM is there in JRE. That's why I am saying that JRE will provide the runtime environment. Okay, JRE will take care about the execution and compilation. Can I say like this? Yes, we can also say that. Why? JVM is there in JRE. That's why I can easily say that by using JRE, I can execute the code, I can compile the code, and JRE itself which provides the runtime environment. Like this also I can explain. Fine. And along with the JRE, we have some tools are there. Java C and Java is also a tool, development tools. Those tools are also, we have a lot more tools are there. Along with all these things, we are saying as complete development kit. Okay, complete kit. We are saying tools, lot more tools and lot more functionalities, files, libraries, JVM, JRE. By combining all these things, we have a one Java development toolkit. That's why I am saying as JDK. We are not simply saying that every time Java, Java, Java. It is not a tool kind of things. It is a toolkit. It's a, when I can say it is a develop, it is a kit means by collection of something different technologies tools means then I can say that it is a tool. Okay, JDK is a collection of tools and collection of concepts like JVM, JRE kind of stuffs. And one more thing, we have one more abbreviation. JIT. JIT, the abbreviation of JIT is just in time. Okay, majorly we have only four abbreviations in the starting of Java: JDK, JRE, JVM, JIT. Okay, just in time. It is also the compiler. JIT acts as a compiler in Java. Okay, in Java also we need some compiler, right? JVM is both acts as it acts as a compiler and interpreter. In rare case, in some cases JVM also takes the help of JIT. JVM also takes the help of JIT to compile and run the program, to compile to verify the program. That is what the JIT compiler. No one knows about this JIT. JIT is a compiler in Java. Just remember, the abbreviation of JIT is just in time. This is enough about this architecture of JDK and kind of concept. Okay, check out the case. What are the things we have explained till now in today's session? Just remind, just what are the concepts we have described from the starting of today's. Takes 2 minutes break.
Java keywords. It's like platform independent, object oriented, secure, robust, portable, high performance, and architecture neutral, and installation of Java.
Yes, good.
And JDK, JRE, and JVM.
Yes. That is what, right?
Yeah.
Yes. These are the main things you should remember. Okay. And who is the developer of Java?
James Gosling.
Very good. Both you have to say on both. Just take 2 minutes. I will continue the session. Shall I continue the session? Okay. Sandeep, you're also there? The third case which we left is we have downloaded and installed the file. We already set the path. Just execute some basic program, how it works or how to compile the program, all the stuff. Okay. Guys, do you remember the yesterday's program?
As Suresh.
Can you tell me?
Yeah.
Class.
Class.
Class. We should keep the class and the class name.
Yeah. Class name. Yeah.
This is the first program. I am saying that first.
Okay.
And the class name must start with capital. Okay.
Okay.
This is the class prototype. And in this class, we should keep the I want to print just hello, like yesterday's example, and I don't want any variables and kind of stuff as the first program. For that purpose, directly I am writing main syntax. What is the syntax for main in Java?
Public static void main.
Public static void main. In the main, we have to keep string args.
Strings are, yeah, string args.
And here itself, I am saying that you can also keep args, ar, whatever the variable name you want, you can keep it. Okay? Suppose A, B, C,
Okay.
whatever the variable you name, what the variable name you want, you can keep it. But in all the textbooks, they are keeping args only. That's why a lot of my students are asking that, can I keep another variable name? Yes, you can keep any variable name here. This is the main method syntax. This is the main method prototype. Then, okay, what is the thing? What I want to print hello world. If you want to keep hello world means we have to take the printing statement help. In Java, what the printing statement is system dot out dot print and println. Both are there. I will explain right now itself. Let us take print. Hello world. Okay. This is was the program. Just save the file. Just before that, I am creating new folder called XYZ. Okay. I want to save all my programs in XYZ folder. Suppose I am saying file, save as. I want to save it. You cannot keep different names. It is the best way is to define with the same name as a class name. I can give you what happened with the different names also. Okay, don't worry. Hello. Hello. Sandeep, right now?
Yes, Suresh.
Yes. Okay. Here, what I am saying is, if you want to name the file means, name the Java file means, it is the best way is to take the class name as the file name. Okay, and my class name is first. That's why I am saying as first dot. We have to say the compiler to that I am executing Java file. That's why I am saying as first dot Java. Okay, and I want to save this first dot Java into in my XYZ folder. Okay, I saved the file. Then the file is ready. We have to test it whether it works or not. For testing purpose, we should go for the command prompt. I know how to move the command prompt, right? Controller, so go to run, press CMD. You can get this command prompt. And where exactly my program is there? In D drive XYZ folder. Same thing we have to keep it. D drive. Guys, are you able to see that? Hello? 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 Still you people are not hearing? Hello? Okay, good. Okay. Don't worry, you can chart it. Sometimes it may be the application will some doesn't work like this. The go to training. If you want to talk something like this, I can be discontinued and connected. I want. Should I proceed? Check out here. My file is in there in D drive XYZ folder. That's why I created the. I moved to the D drive. Are you able to see the screen? D drive. And if you want to move to the XYZ folder, change directory command cd space XYZ. Now I'm in XYZ folder only. To compile this program, what's the statement, what's the command we have to use it? I already said that this is very important for the compilation. We have to use javac. Okay. Okay, you want to restart the session, right? Yes, sure. Hello. Are you guys getting my voice?
Yes, Suresh.
Yes, I'm me too, me too. I'm also getting my voice, getting the things. Check out the last case. How to compile the code? Javac space file name you have to keep it. File name dot Java. Okay. For running the program, keep Java space class name. That's all. Check out these major cases. This is very, very important. Most of the case, most of the
Suresh, I
students
think you
will
didn't share your screen.
I don't know the just a second. I will talk with the organizer. Is organizer is there? Hello.
We can see him, but I don't know whether he's available or not.
Hmm. Just a second. Whether myself it is a problem or not. Again, I will connect it. Just hold on the line. Yes, guys. I already informed to the organizer. Just a second. Guys, I hope you got it right.
Yep.
Check out the cases, how to compile and how to run the file I am saying. Here the compilation of a Java program by using javac command, javac, and here we have to use the file name. Okay, here my file name, suppose for example my file name is first. For that purpose, if you want to compile my program means I should use javac space first dot java, and for running the program I should use java class name, and java here my class name is also similar to the first. That's why I need to use the same thing. Let us do compile javac space first dot Java. If you have any errors, means it will list out all the errors, all the compilation errors here itself. Here we are not, it is not listing, means the compilation of the first.java is successfully finished. Okay, before running itself, I want to show one thing. As I know it is the first class also, I am saying, check out. Previously, is there any first.class file is there? Have you created this first.class file? No. At the time of compilation itself, the JVM will create the bytecode or .class file. I said earlier, right? The bytecode generation will be happened in the compilation in the form of .class file. That is part of the, that is what we have done in the compilation phase. See, whenever I am trying to Java C first.java means it will create first.class. Okay, like this we may create the .class file. It is also very important question, when the .class file will be created at the time of compilation. Check out guys, I didn't run the program, but the .class file is there. Okay, and if you want to run the program, Java first, I got the output, hello world. Check out. Okay, if I keep any errors, suppose I forget to keep the semicolon, I am saving the file. For saving the notepad, I am in Windows Control S and I am moving to the command line. I am trying to compile. I am getting the error is error semicolon expected. Okay, we got a clear indication that we skipped the semicolon in line 5. Okay, where also it is clearly saying that it's the semicolon in after hello world. There we can keep the semicolon. Fine. And you cannot use capital letters for these keywords, public static void main. I am saving this file. Then it will compile. Still anyone is having problem with the remembrance of compiling and execution, how to compile, how to execute the program? This is the basic step, first step we have to learn it. How to compile the program, how to run the program. Okay, good Hari. And suppose I saved this file, the class name is first, I saved this file as second .java. What happened if you want to try to execute same kind of concept, same kind of class, first class, but the file name is second. Don't worry Sandeep, no need about that. Okay, okay. If you have any questions, you can do that. You can take the help of chat box. Okay. I don't know, some error, maybe some communication gap is there. Just I want to mold it. I want anyway. This is the end of the session, right? No worries about this. If you have any issues, means tomorrow we'll see the things. And just I want to conclude the session. Just take this, listen carefully. See, suppose I am using one file, a Java file, which has the file name is second, and the class name is first. Okay, for this kind of concept, how to compile, how to run the file. Simple. As I have given the statement, Java C file name.java, Java class name. Check out. To compile the program, what is the case we have to use it?
Hello.
Java C. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Yes, I am
Yeah.
getting.
Hello?
Okay? Yes, yes. Java C, the file name is second dot Java. You cannot keep the first. For always the compilation, you should keep the file name. Here my file name is second. Okay? And check it out before compiling, is there any second dot class file? No. The bytecode is not yet generated. Still we have generated only Java file source code. When the dot class file will be created, after compilation it will be created. Check out. I am going to compile. I am pressing enter. I am refreshing my page. What happened? We done the compilation. Previously we have after compilation of first.java we got first.class. Yes, but after doing the second.java compilation, why that second.class file is not yet created? Yes, the compilation is successful only. Java C space second.java. The thing is, in second.java file also, what is the class name? First only. That's why it is again creating first.class. Let us check one more time. I am deleting this first.class. Let us try whether second.java will create the first.class file or not. Careful guys. Yes. I hope you have seen the dot class file generation at the time of compilation. Okay, of course the file name is second and we are trying to compile the Java C second.java, but the class name will be first. That's why in the name of class file name itself, where the bytecode will be generated first.class. And for running the program, Java, the class name for running the program or executing the programs, always we have to use class name only. Here the class name is first. Yes, same thing we have to pass it. Hello world. The thing is, the better way is to keep the class name as the file name. If you forget this, if you are not doing this way, means we have to keep the execution flow will be like this. The compilation we have to take the file name help, in the running or execution help we have to take the class name. What, Hari, you want to say something?
I'm just saying the class name that.
Okay, fine. Till now you got right. More about the data types, variables, more information I can give you in the tomorrow session. Okay, still we have to discuss about the variables. This is the basic program, basic architecture. For today's, you have to download and install the tasks. Okay, you have to download and install the Java from Oracle website and try to execute at least one program like this. Hello world. Okay, tomorrow I will add the more information about data types, methods, how to add all the things, variables, all the information I can give you, how to create variables, what is the syntax in Java, how many types of data types, primitive data types, user defined data types, all the information I can give you by tomorrow's session. Okay. Can I wind up session? If you have any queries, means you can ask the queries.
Yeah. Okay, Suresh.
Okay, we will take the remaining things in the next class, same time.
Okay.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye.